Toyota have announced a safety recall for pure gas-powered 2022 or 2023 Toyota Tundra and Lexus LX vehicles due to potential engine failure. They mentioned some engines might have machining chips left uncleaned from the manufacturing process. The company is recalling a Tundra manufactured between November of 2021 to February 2023 and Lexus LX600 manufactured between July 2021 to November of 2022. Approximately 102,000 vehicles are involved in this recall in the U.S., but it is not possible to exactly tell how many percent is affected, though it is estimated to be around 1%. These vehicles are equipped with a V35A twin-turbocharged 3.4-liter engine. Of course, this same engine is also used in the hybrid version, but no recall or any rumor yet. And this engine was on the road for the last 4 years, and Toyota have reported to National Highway Traffic Safety Administration in 2022, which tells they were investigating the problem since then and decided to announce voluntary recall now. So, what exactly is this particular recall about? Debris from the manufacturing process may contaminate the engine and cause the main bearings to fail, which can result in a loss of power or complete stall. Engine main bearings are usually made from loaded Babbitt material and have good embeddability and fatigue strength. It is made with very precise tolerance, and it is lubricated with pressurized hydrodynamic thick film lubrication. A pump sucks the oil up from the bottom of the engine, where it's stored in a big pan called the sump. A strainer catches any big chunks of debris. Then the oil gets sent through a filter for even more cleaning. Finally, the clean oil gets pumped through tiny channels to all the important engine parts like the pistons, bearings, and camshaft. Once it's done its job, gravity pulls the used oil back down to the sump, and the whole cycle starts again. But in the case of Tundra, the machining chips is left in the case, and hence the oil strainer might not filter it as it is ahead of it. This presence of entrained machining chips will rub on the heavily loaded main bearings journal and remove material from it, which will cause damage over time. These dents will grow and results in bearing failure, which in turn result in complete engine stall. The metallic abrasive can cause a severe damage even in short mileage, as the bearing operate in high pressure and working and frictional temperature. Here's what you might notice on your vehicle. Engine knocking. If you hear a repetitive clicking noise from under the hood, it's not a subtle issue and should be a red flag. Engine running rough. Your once smooth ride might feel jittery or shaky. It could be like constantly driving on a bumpy road, even on a smooth surface. This is a sign the engine isn't running as efficiently as it should. Loss of power. The engine might feel sluggish or unresponsive when you press the gas pedal. In extreme cases, it might feel like you've suddenly lost all power steering too. Engine failing to start. The engine might crank but refuse to turn over completely. This is the worst case scenario and can leave you stranded wherever you are. I have seen some folks on online forums are witnessing these signs here and there. This could be a sign of the engine issue, so if that's happening to you, definitely get it checked out. So what should you do? Check your VIN number. This is your vehicle's unique identification number. You can find it on your driver's side door jamb or on your registration. Head over to the National Highway Traffic Safety Administration website, or NHTSA for short, and to see if your specific vehicle has any open recalls, including this one. Listen to your truck. If you notice any of those warning signs like engine knocking or loss of power, take your Tundra or LX to a Toyota dealer as soon as possible. Toyota has built a reputation for rock-solid reliability over the years, but recent recalls, like the one affecting the Tundra and Lexus LX, can definitely raise some eyebrows. It's natural to wonder if Toyota's quality control might be slipping a bit. Anyways, here's the thing, even the best carmakers can have a bad time. It is common. Recalls happen, and it's important for manufacturers to address them quickly and transparently. What matters most is how Toyota responds to this situation. Let's keep an eye on how Toyota handles this recall and see if they can maintain their reputation for building reliable vehicles. Toyota says it is currently working on a solution for the issue and that it will notify owners of affected vehicles by late July. We'll see what they will come up with, whether it is engine rebuild or dropping another one. Give this video a thumbs up if you found it helpful, and subscribe to the channel for more car care tips.